The gold rush is here. Picture this. You're sitting at your desk scrolling through job boards when you stumble across a posting that reads, "Drone pilot needed, $3,000 for 2 days' work." Your first thought? That's too good to be true. But here's the reality. The global drone mapping market is projected to hit $1.3 billion by 2025 and explode to $6.7 billion by 2035, growing at a whopping 17.1% annually. This isn't just another tech trend, this is a digital gold rush, and the prospectors with drones are striking it rich. The opportunity. Why drone mapping is exploding. Let me paint you a picture of opportunity. Traditional surveying methods cost companies thousands per acre and take weeks to complete. A single surveyor team might charge $10,000 to map a construction site over several days. But with drone mapping, basic drone mapping projects in rural areas cost around $35 per acre, while complex as-built feature extraction projects range from $60 to $80 per acre. You could complete that same job in a few hours. DJI dominates with 20 to 25% industry share, but the market is hungry for skilled operators. Major players like Trimble, Pix4D, and Precision Hawk are investing heavily in R&D and cloud-delivered data solutions, creating a massive ecosystem that needs pilots on the ground. But here's what makes this opportunity irresistible. Construction is expected to be the most profitable end-use industry segment, growing at 20.2% CAGR through 2035. Every building, every road, every infrastructure project needs mapping, and they need it fast. Real-world success stories. Let me share some jaw-dropping examples of what's possible. Chinook Landscape Architecture slashed 70% off the cost of traditional surveying methods when mapping an interstate highway expansion project. Instead of sending geologists rappelling down rock faces with pen and paper, they used drones to create detailed photogrammetry data of vertical structures. CSX Railroad is using drones to collect data for rail yards, document storm damage, and gather asset data. Small survey companies are now flying every single project for permanent site documentation. One construction firm told the industry that drones have taken all the argument out of their billing because volumetric measurements are now precise and indisputable. A typical example, a firm was contracted to provide 1-foot contours on a 10-acre site. Traditional methods would take a 3 to 4 person crew 3 to 4 days at roughly $1,000 per day, costing $3,000 to $4,000. A drone system priced at $4,000 with mapping software could complete the same job in hours. The ROI? Most firms achieve return on investment within 2 to 3 projects. Equipment you actually need. Let's get real about equipment. You don't need to mortgage your house to get started. Here's what actually matters. The drone platform? Start with something like the DJI Phantom 4 RTK, which offers 1 centimeter horizontal positioning accuracy and 1.5 centimeters vertical positioning accuracy. DroneDeploy's research found it delivers the same, if not better, results than traditional GPS methods. A complete LiDAR setup could cost anywhere from $25,000 for an entry-level system to more than $250,000 for high-end configurations, but for most mapping work, you could start much smaller. RTK/GPS systems. For professional drone mapping, essential RTK receivers include base stations like the MLID RS2 Plus or RS3 for high-precision correction data, and rover units like the Reach RX for compact GCP collection. This equipment ensures your maps are survey-grade accurate. LiDAR, when you need it. LiDAR drone costs start at $10,000 for basic setups, but professional systems like the DJI M350 with LiDAR can hit $25,000 or more. The good news, most projects don't require LiDAR. Photogrammetry, using RGB photos, works perfectly for most mapping applications. Save LiDAR for when you need to penetrate dense vegetation or map power lines. Software skills that pay. The magic happens in the software, and this is where you can really differentiate yourself. Here are the essential platforms. Flight planning software. Start with DroneDeploy, DJI Terra, and Pix4D for flight planning, enabling pilots to set waypoints, altitude, image overlap, and flight paths precisely. Processing software. Pix4D Mapper and Agisoft Metashape are industry leaders, offering both local processing and cloud-based options. Pix4D Mapper transforms ground or aerial images into accurate, georeferenced maps and 3D models with sub-centimeter accuracy. GIS Integration Geographic Information System. GIS software, including ARCGIS and QIGS, is crucial for analyzing and visualizing geospatial data. This is where you add real value, turning raw drone data into actionable business intelligence. Finding your first clients. Here's where most people get stuck, but it's actually easier than you think. Your first clients are hiding in plain sight. Construction companies. Construction and infrastructure use drones for progress monitoring, 3D mapping, orthomosaic surveys, and volumetric measurements. Project-based pricing ranges from $1,000 to $3,000 per project, while ongoing monitoring contracts cost $500 to $2,000 per visit. Agricultural operations farmers are embracing precision agriculture. Many providers offer subscription models, where clients pay a set fee for regular drone services over time, ensuring availability and consistent pricing. Real estate and development property developers need site analysis before breaking ground. Land development mapping includes georeferenced overlays for site development, as-built creation, and urban planning. Local government municipalities need infrastructure inspections, environmental monitoring, and disaster response capabilities. Pricing that actually works. Let's talk money. Forget the race to the bottom. Position yourself as a professional service provider. Here's what works. Hourly rates drone service providers specializing in mapping charge higher rates than general pilots. Hourly rates increase with travel distance and specialized certifications in agronomy, GIS, and real estate command, higher median rates. Drone mapping costs between $100 and $240 per hour, or $800 to $1,500 per day. Per acre pricing. The cost of drone land surveying typically ranges from $30 to $120 per acre, depending on size and complexity. This model works especially well for agricultural clients who understand acreage. Project-based pricing, project pricing, can range from $500 to $5,000, depending on complexity, with the average project costing between $800 to $1,500 per day. Value-added services. This is your secret weapon. Don't just deliver raw data. Provide analysis, recommendations, and ongoing monitoring. Pricing should reflect your expertise, such as photography experience for post-processing or engineering background for data analysis. Delivery and client management. Your delivery process separates amateurs from professionals. Here's what clients actually want. Fast turnaround advanced aerial AutoCAD workflows deliver survey-grade mapping images with georeferenced line work directly to client desktops. Better than traditional surveyor drawings, because line work is layered on georeferenced images. Multiple formats deliver orthomosaics, 3D models, point clouds, and CAD-ready files. Pix4D Mapper allows you to measure distances, areas, and volumes while streamlining project communication and teamwork. Professional reporting include accuracy reports, methodology explanations, and actionable insights. This positions you as a consultant, not just a data collector. Legal requirements and certifications. Let's get the legal stuff straight. To legally offer commercial drone mapping services, you typically need a remote pilot certificate from the relevant aviation authority. In the United States, this requires passing a written exam and meeting specific eligibility criteria. Certifications in mapping, photogrammetry, and GIS enhance your expertise and credibility. Insurance matters. Professional operators carry $5 million in CGL and aviation liability insurance to give clients peace of mind, especially when working near high-value assets. Airspace authorization. You'll likely encounter projects in controlled airspace, requiring LA/ANC waivers or written FAA authorization. The future is autonomous. Here's where this gets really exciting. The fully autonomous segment is expected to experience the fastest growth through 2030, driven by AI and machine learning technologies, enabling drones to operate autonomously. The FAA is working on proposed rules to allow routine, beyond visual line of sight operations, crucial for scaling deliveries and long-range inspections. What this means for you early adopters, who master autonomous flight planning and data processing, will dominate the market. Mapping and surveying is and will remain the top drone application, followed by inspection and photography and filming. Getting started today. Here's your action plan. Get certified. Start with your Part 107 license immediately. Choose your niche: construction, agriculture, or real estate. Start small. Begin with photogrammetry before investing in LiDAR. Network locally. Contact construction companies, surveyors, and real estate developers. Invest in training. Master the software tools that add value. The bottom line. The global drone market is projected to reach $63.60 billion by 2030, growing at 14.3% annually. This isn't just growth, this is transformation. Traditional industries are being disrupted, and those who act now will build the businesses that define the next decade. The opportunity is massive. The barriers to entry are lower than ever, and the demand is exploding. The question isn't whether drone mapping will be profitable, it's whether you'll be part of the revolution or watching from the sidelines. Your drone mapping business starts with a single flight. Make it count. Ready to turn your drone into a money-making machine? Hit subscribe for more industry insights, and drop a comment below with your biggest question about starting a drone mapping business. Let's build this industry together.